On behalf of Legal File, I'll welcome you all in today's informal session where we are going to appreciate the efforts of a fellow mate. So it's the first time that I don't have a single person with me. I have the whole team. I have Mr. Shekhar Bhattacharya, who's the founder of Kam Bhari Cell. I have Mr. Himagan Malik, Ms. Takshima Maheshwari, and Ms. Muskan Sani. They are from Legal File only. So today we are going to chit chat with Mr. Shekhar about his struggle, about his career, about his college life, and about his venture. So over to you guys.
Yeah, so we'll start by knowing that how was your college life, because since we are from college now, so let's start by telling you something about your college life.
Yeah, first of all, thank you to the Legal Files team for having me here and inviting me, for sharing my experiences. So talking about my college, I am currently a final year law student, 10th sem student from Savitribai Phule Pune University. I'm also, as you said, I'm also the founder of Kam Bhari Cell, which is basically an opportunity cell, free ventured opportunity cell. Talking about my college life, before my college life started, I started as a part-time worker when I moved to Pune after my 12th studies. That was not a good time for me actually. Talking about my personal life, the time I completed my 12th studies, so I had to with my mother, I had to separate from my paternal family. So I had to move into a new city totally for pursuing my studies. And my mother being a professor, she intended to complete and मेरे को पढ़ाने की बहुत कोशिश कर रहे थे, and we moved to a completely new city. So before starting up or entering into a college life, so I had to actually work at many places to earn some food. Actually, before entering the college life, I had to work basically. So I had worked with many places. I have worked as a cake shop boy. You must have seen my post on Subway. I worked as a Subway boy. Gradually, time passed. In 2016, I joined Balaji Law College, which is affiliated to Pune University, basically. So I joined my colleges, and there's as such no college thing. Because I didn't attend classes. First year hoga, I used to attend my classes. From the second year itself, I was totally diverted to the work outside my college, like internships, competitions, etc., etc. And this was it.
Yeah, so since everything was so difficult for you, how did you come up with this your venture? What was your purpose and what did you thought?
Talking about Kam Bhari Cell, there was a myth, since I am from a state university, so I had a vision of entering the corporate law field.
Yeah.
So that included that wanted me, उसके लिए बहुत सारा internships करना पड़ता है, उसके लिए कुछ experience चाहिए होता है. You need to learn practical things basically. Yeah. I always talk about this thing, practical exposure. So I simply criticize sole institutional learning, which is nowadays going very much in India. Colleges are restricting their students for pursuing internships. They are more focused towards completing academic criteria or academic classes. So I majorly talk about institutional learning combined with practical learning. So from my second year itself, so I started interning. Not from my second year, I would say my first year last sem. Since my second sem onwards, I started interning. So I knew this process, how internships actually help a law student in their professional career. So there was a myth actually that was going on that only NLU students get to best places. So basically, to break that myth, there is a myth actually right now also. और ये ख्यालात हम लोग ने not NLU students ने भी नहीं बनाए, हम जैसे non NLUites ने ही बनाया है ये चीज. We give up applying to those places those big places where usually NLUites get hired or NLUites get internships. तो वैसी कुछ तो बात नहीं है, तो हम लोग खुद मतलब हम लोग डर जाते हैं, and there was a hidden myth towards that, and also the practice of providing internship was highly commercialized. So in order to इन सब barriers को तोड़ने के लिए, so I created Kambharisil. I have a team of 6 members from different colleges who have exemplary internship experiences, and based on our network, we run the opportunity cell Kambharisil.
Wow, that's great. That's great. So how many internships have you done in your college life total?
I actually won't be able to count that, but then in a total of I have like 18 months of work experience added with 9 months of traineeship as trainee associate internship experience.
Wow, that's great, because that's a motivation for law students like us who are in second or first year, because we don't know a lot about internships since coronavirus came. We didn't got any practical knowledge. So yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
But just to add on, like what you said, wasn't that difficult for you, to make that balance between the college life and the internships? Because the viewers will be watching this video, they'll surely ask you that, we are in college, so we have to study as well. We have to, maintain that academic cycle plus the internship cycle. So how do you do that? So what is your suggestion?
Yeah, talking about the college, the question you like just question. So talking about the, I had to face the backslashes from my college. मेरा कॉलेज भी ऐसा ही है जो कि 75% अटेंडेंस क्राइटेरिया पे चलता है. I had to listen. I was literally like what you can say. Currently I have an attendance percent less than 20%, and I don't want to like address this in a negative way. But then I utilized that time, my college hours, or what you can say, the learning hours, in a place where I can get practical knowledge. I was more towards, I was not I had a mentor who is now working as a manager at Cipla. So he was my mentor throughout my law school journey. So he only said me that what लॉयर एक ऐसे आदमी है जो कि कॉलेज के अंदर नहीं बन सकते, कॉलेज के बाहर ही बन सकते हैं. सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपोजर, अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल थिंग्स दैट यू कैन गेन आउटसाइड कॉलेज, नॉट इनसाइड कॉलेज. इनसाइड कॉलेज एक ऐसी जगह है, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग अंकुर वैरिको. आई फॉलो हिम अ लॉट. ही इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. सो ही टॉक्स अबाउट मेजरली ऑन इंटर्नशिप्स. He says that college is an institution that can only provide you a qualification degree, whether you can like work there or not, but the way of working you learn through internships basically. So you need to intern, you need to like participate in various practical exposurial things, etc. So that was my motivation, that was my way of working. I do not want to take this in a like negative tone, like people or candidates should attend classes, but then it's good if it's combined with practical learning.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So all of us have seen that you have been very active on LinkedIn, posting updates and legal content. I really want to ask you, what motivates you to post such content and be so active?
I started talking about LinkedIn. It's actually one of my favorite social media or posting sites. So if you have must seen my like links or my posts, it's about sharing experiences. I believe in sharing experiences. Whatever I have like experienced since my 5-year law school journey, I'll be highly obliged if a junior comes across that and do something out of my experiences. So that single thing is my motivation. If I am able to help a single guy throughout through my experiences, so that is what. So I write basically about candidates. I basically write about students. I basically write about importance of internships and practical learning basically. So these things are like highly important in a student's life, so I write about those.
Okay, so just another question from my side. Like, you're active nowadays. So were you active during the first and second years of law school as well?
I started using LinkedIn in 2019. So I did not know about LinkedIn basically. I did not know there's a like site for LinkedIn. Yeah. Someone asked a question, so
apologies. It's just a mistake.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So yeah, I started using LinkedIn in 2019. So before that, I was using Facebook. Like now, talking about Facebook, everyone used to like upload pictures or everything, kind of that. So since my college life, I started my college life in 2016. I used Facebook as LinkedIn, you can say. I used to post everything, every internship experience, every seminars I attended. That actually gradually helped me, like while I was posting on LinkedIn. So basically, what क्या होता था कि पहले बहुत लोग दोस्त बोलते थे सब कुछ पोस्ट करना है, इसको सब कुछ पोस्ट करना है, मतलब फेसबुक में कुछ भी हो रहा है, इधर गए इसको पोस्ट करना, उधर गए इसको पोस्ट करना है. So I took that in a positive way, and I would like to एक important बात बोलनी है कि while we are sitting here, so you people are not like near me, but by the way of like e-media, so I am able to connect you. So that the same way, if I post about my experiences, I may convey my experiences physically to 10 guys, but then I can convey my like experiences virtually to thousands. So that is why I like using and I like sharing my experiences.
Yeah, because that's the power of social media.
Yeah, that should be used in a positive way, and a student also evolves. Like the way if a student writes a thing or reads a thing, LinkedIn is a big boon in law students. Talking about law students' life, it's a big boon where we get to learn from our seniors. Everyone is on LinkedIn basically. We get to learn from LinkedIn very much. Yeah.
We at Legal File also promote posting and updating on LinkedIn about our events also. So
Yeah.
Definitely this one will also go there.
Just like you say, na, ki, like, you know, social media has a power actually. So the time we started to come up with Legal File, the whole team actually decided to, you know, before, you know, having our page on LinkedIn, we started up our venture through Instagram only, because we knew that the youth is very active on Instagram. So we're gonna see. So Takshima, you might, you know, say that we started up with posting legal updates and something like that, right? So that was the part of social media when we used to, you know, post the questions or quizzes and that. So like people were very much aware about the legal happening, the legal news, the legal updates. So that is how, you know, social media works now.
I would like to I can also relate to my process. Like मैंने जब कामबारिसल start किया था, तो we did not use any social media site firstly. So I had an intent that I wanted to be in everyone's contact list first. So Kambarish cells should be in everyone's contact list. And then when I create a baseband of a particular amount of students, then I would go for creating social media sites. So when actually I got 2K or 2 or 2.5K active WhatsApp members, WhatsApp group members, everyone suggested me to open a LinkedIn page. So firstly, I created a LinkedIn page for Kambarisil, and then the youth only said that हर कोई अभी LinkedIn use नहीं करता. Some people are more towards Instagram. So yeah, I created an Instagram page also. Yeah. So these are the two pages, and now we have actually a baseband of like 5,000 active members right now for Kambarisil.
That's great. Yeah. So now we'll move towards the rapid fire round. So Himagan, mic towards you.
Yeah, so as per the rules of the rapid fire round, I'm just going to ask you a few questions and you're supposed to respond as fast as you can and you're supposed to respond to the first thing that comes to your mind. When so, let's see how you respond. So my first question towards you
Sorry,
is
Himagan, I'm losing you. I'm losing
what
you.
in college? I'm sorry.
I'm
So
losing you.
sorry for the same. So my first question for the rapid fire round is, how was your attendance in college?
Currently below 20%. So yeah, below 20%.
Okay. So everyone has that professor who they don't really like, or feel like he shouldn't be there in class. So who do you think is the professor you don't like, or the professor in this case who used to cut a lot of your attendance?
Many actually. I would like many professors in my mind. Then if I would recollect a name, then I would not directly like point out him. But then I love him as a professor. I love him as a brother.
I would rather suggest you to just not mention the name of the professor. Just tell me, like, what was the subject?
The experience, yeah. Why I was so frustrated is I have a very brilliant handwriting. So he actually tore my assignment copy in front of the whole batch. So one day, so basically that instance, like I got frustrated out of that. So yeah, that thing.
Okay, so your worst punishment you ever got in probably in college or in school, I don't know, like.
Yeah, this was the first punishment out of like I pulled up a all-nighter to write that assignment, and then my assignment like copy was stored in front of the whole batch. And the second would be I was in my school days, in my 10th days, I was like suspended once because I had like बहुत ही कॉमन चीज है, मैंने एक प्रोफेसर के बाइक के टायर को पंक्चर कर दिया था आउट ऑफ माय एंगर. Yeah, so I got suspended once in my 10th days.
And what's your best college experience till date?
Talking about my college experiences, there was like no best, but yeah, I gathered a lot of good friends. That is the only best experience I have from college. But then yeah, I have like gathered a very good friend circle. So that is what, yeah, I have from talking about law school. Yeah, that is the best thing I got.
So what's your worst experience? Maybe you can tell about when you started your venture. So what was the thing that you experienced? Like it was very bad.
Talking about venture, like very bad is I saw this thing that other opportunity cells are like questioning the sole motive of behind creating opportunity cells is to provide internship opportunities or opportunities to other students, but they are being like literally they are converting this thing into a commercialized way. So
Yeah.
I remember like opportunity cell like which has trident rules. They are acting or they are posting negative about other opportunity cells that cannot be done. Even with Kambari cell, many opportunity cells came up copying our content, but I did not question them because the sole motive of my of my organization Kambari cell is to provide internship opportunities. May it be from me or may it be from anyone. Ultimately, a guy is getting an internship. So there itself the purpose solved. So yeah, that purpose commercializing this practice, I faced this. I also got an offer from a very good opportunity cell to close down my organization and join them with my network. So yeah, that was the worst thing I faced.
Yeah, because actually when we also started Legal Files in the starting, we also saw that when we wanted to host an event, someone copied the whole idea of our event at that time. So it's just very disappointing at times, but you know that we have to stand up for our venture, and that's how we'll move forward and gain experience.
Basically there are established organizations.
Yeah.
They do not want any newcomer to come in. So my point is, if students like someone, अगर आपका काम अच्छा है तो students आपकी तरफ आएंगे, अगर नहीं है तो आपकी तरफ नहीं जाएंगे. It doesn't mean कि हम लोग कोई newcomer को entry नहीं दे सकते उस area of like field में. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. So what was your best internship that you did till date?
My best internship would be like none other than my internship at a PSU, which is NALCO. It's a public sector unit. So I was in a batch of 8 with 7 NLSIU students at NALCO. So why I would term it as best, because I was selected as a best intern among 3, and I got a chance to visit Dubai. So that internship actually accompanied an international internship visit to Dubai. Like Nalco is a company which actually deals in aluminum. It is Asia's largest aluminum exporter. So I got a chance to visit Dubai. So at Emirates Global Aluminium to see some transactions of the company, being the best like intern in a lot of 3.
That's a great achievement. That's too good.
Yeah, that would be my best internship experience or internship. Yeah.
Okay, so now I'll take it again. So apart from your own handle, what do you think is the best social media handle?
Undoubtedly LinkedIn. I love I love LinkedIn because it actually, there's no reason I can expound this. LinkedIn like helps us to share experiences. Like I have been through various difficult experiences. I was able to, the time I started using LinkedIn, I got so inspired by many people. I came across many personalities whom I connect to, whom I can learn from. The very best person I now relate to is Ankur Variko. He is basically an entrepreneur, and then like I get to learn many things about him, and he also speaks about internship experiences and internship, the value of internship. So I connect him a lot. So LinkedIn is my like would be my best social media handle.
So
Okay. Yeah. So basically, we are falling short of time. So just to wrap up the session, so what suggestion would you give, to other fellow mates? Because this session was only meant for those who are coming up with new ideas, or those who are just still confused as to, what to do and how to enter into the market. So any suggestion for them? And with that, we wrap up our session.
Yeah. All that I said, actually, there's nothing more to address. But then, students are thinking that the students who are aiming for entering the industry, legal industry, or pursuing legal studies, or the students who are already in, those are thinking like, होता है, like सब लोग को लगता है difficult है. Like legal studies are actually difficult to pursue. Like if you talk about jobs, there are no jobs. There are specific reasons behind it, but then we have to work out. I just want to say that to everyone, by choosing legal law as a career, we are empowered to add wings at our back. So it's just, you can fly, but then you have to check how can you actually fly. So basically you have those wings, so you have to aim on flying, and then for that you need to explore many things. Yeah, that would be my suggestion.
That is a good suggestion indeed, because, to all the fellow mates from our side also, from the whole team of Legal File, we always, motivate others to come up with some ideas and to be constant with that. Because, sometimes what happens when you are coming with a new organization, when you are coming with a new idea, or you're just going to start something, many ups and downs are there. And I think Takshima, Muskan, and Himagan will actually witness this, that, something happens every day. So just be ready for that risk. And I think people should be constant throughout. These 5 years are very long. So just make this journey, commendable, enjoyable, and memorable. So thank you so much for joining today. And with this, we end up our session.